Welcome everyone. I'm Rupali representing Vedabi Global Services. We are specialists in providing support and services in BI and APM space. We provide pre-sales support, health checkup and optimization, installation configuration, upgrade migration, support and maintenance, end-to-end implementation. So today my webinar agenda is for Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition Scorecard. So I'm going to cover what is scorecard concept, scorecard uses, scorecard creation, perspective types and indicators in scorecard. So first of all, I'm covering about what is scorecard. Scorecarding is a methodology that enables you to communicate with strategic goals to your organization and monitor their progresses. So it's mean the methodology for enabling the communication of the strategic goals, and it is mainly useful for the organization to monitor their processes. So this is a scorecarding, and monitor and manages the strategy performances of the organization from top to bottom. So it defines the progress and performance over the time of the period of an organization. So we can say about a scorecard, it's a perspective or customer internal processes, financial learning and growth, and it defines the strategy of the organization, and they ensures all this perspective. This is a scorecard. So now going to cover the scorecard concept. Scorecard which helps to answers the questioning like where's the organization going, how will we get there, what is the critical to my success, how am doing against my goal. So scorecard which is a communication, we can say it is a communication vehicle to access the organization performance according to its strategic objective and initiative. So these are the concept of the scorecard. And now I'm going to cover scorecard uses. Scorecard simultaneously defines the objective and initiatives that forms your strategy, to which you assign the KPI to measure the progress and performances. So each helps to assign the KPI, and to that will assign for the measure progress and performances. And it also defines the target numeric ranges and to evaluate the values of the KPI. It evaluates the values of the KPI and within the corporate and or department level objectives and initiatives. So we can say about the scorecard uses, it's a graphically communicate strategy and strategic dynamic using the strategic map and cause effect maps, custom views and strategic tree. So these are the scorecard uses, and we can say it also discuss the implementation and the status of the objective and initiatives by adding the reading and replying to the comments. So this is a scorecard uses, and it and now I'm going to cover what is the scorecard creation. So we can I already discuss about the scorecard, and it used to define the value of KPI which included the analysis. And the now I'm going to discuss the what is how to create the scorecard. Means it's just we need to log into the BI analytics, and there is a tab for just see here in the screen, like go to the new and go under the performance management, and there is a scorecard option is given. So this is and we just have to click on it, and we can create our scorecard. And just we have to give the naming to the scorecard, and need to set the location for the scorecard, means where we need to store our scorecard. This is a scorecard location as it is seen in a screen. Now Now a new screen with the scorecard overview with will get display. So this is a display of the scorecard, and here we can see the scorecard overview in the screen, like means here we can check the scorecard how it is display, the scorecard display in screen. And here I just added a sample scorecard overview in it. So here just given the children's descendants and the actions here, like children's are it is used to display the status of the analytics, and descendants are nothing but it's a perspective type, we can say. And this resumes the formula and indicator types. Score that is used to define the value of the KPI which is included in the analysis. So here just given the screen for creating the new strategy objective, and go to the left pane. In the top you will find a strategy. Click new to create the strategy and assign the name and the location for the strategy. So and here just added the screen for the strategy and how to create the new one objectives. And in analysis tab we can see here the score children descendants. In analysis tab we can see here the children's descendants and score actions, score of the scorecard actions over here. So I discussed about what is score. Score is used to define the value of the KPI, and it which included the analysis, and children's which are used to display the status of the analysis. And descendants are nothing but it's the perspective types, means as it resume the formula and indicator type. Then action, it is built to link some reports or a dashboard or any other lines from the scorecard. So this is all about the score children's descendants and actions in a scorecard. So I'm going to discuss about perspective types and indicator types in scorecard. So perspective types which included with internal processes, financial, customer, learning and growth. So here just we can see in the screen the sample scorecard say test. I've just added a screen for it. And here we can see the analytics score of a scorecard, children, descendants, and what are the perspectives. So perspective types and indicator types in it mainly included the things like internal processes. So internal process which supports the corporate by internally for the performance management strategy using the internal policies and procedures. And financial which supports the corporation for the development of the organization. And the customers the that mainly for the client supposed to improve the performance of the organization. And learning and growth which supports the employee training to develop the organization status. So this is about the perspective types. And now I'm going to discuss the indicator type. So indicator type is mainly for leading and lagging, we can say. So example here, it drives the value which is higher and gives more performances. So this is a indicator type here mentioned. And we can say the leading, it will indicate the performance of the objective, and drives the other objective, we can say. So this is a leading. And lagging, it will indicates whether it is affected by the part of the other objective, means it will affect by other objectives or not, or other data processes it will affect it or not. So this is a leading and lagging reading and lagging of the perspective types and indicator types I have discussed over here. So thanks for participating in the webinar. We will look forward to see you again in the upcoming webinars of Obiee Global Services. Please contact us for any query related to BI and EPM space to email and mobile numbers available on a contact us slide. Have a great time. Thank you.